Ever wondered what it's like to explore new destinations? The thrill of discovering unfamiliar places, the excitement of planning adventures, these experiences can truly broaden your horizons. Imagine the joy of standing at the edge of a cliff, looking out over a vast, untouched wilderness, or the anticipation of stepping off a plane into a bustling foreign city. Does it make your heart race? Now, think about your community. How involved are you? There's something incredibly fulfilling about contributing to the place you call home. Have you ever volunteered at a local event, or perhaps supported a local business? Remember, a thriving community is made up of active, engaged individuals. Speaking of businesses, have you ever embarked on a new venture? The world of entrepreneurship is teeming with challenges and rewards. Every idea, every invention started as a spark in someone's mind. How can you support these ideas and help them grow? And what about your writing? It's a skill that's constantly evolving. Are you honing your craft, finding your voice, exploring new genres? The beauty of writing lies in its ability to transport us to different worlds, to express our thoughts and feelings in a way that nothing else can. Travel plans too can broaden our horizons. Have you made any recently? Each journey, each destination brings with it a wealth of experiences. It's like stepping into a different world, a different life. Artistic creativity is another avenue for self-expression. Are you painting, sculpting, designing? The act of creating something beautiful, something meaningful, is a journey in itself. What about reading? Have you come across any insightful articles lately? There's a wealth of knowledge out there waiting to be discovered. It keeps us informed, opens our minds, and challenges our beliefs. Now, let's talk about food. How's your culinary expertise improving? Are you experimenting with new recipes, discovering new flavors? Cooking is an adventure, a journey of the senses. Virtual events have become a part of our lives. Have you attended any? They're convenient, accessible, and can be just as engaging as in-person events. And how's your work from home setup? Have you created a productive space that helps you focus on your work? It's all about finding a balance between comfort and productivity. Fitness routines are vital for our health. Have you tried any new ones recently? Remember, staying active is not just about physical health, but mental well-being too. So, to summarize, we've talked about exploring new destinations, getting involved in our community, supporting business ventures, improving our writing skills, planning travels, expressing ourselves through art, staying informed through reading, experimenting in the kitchen, attending virtual events, creating productive workspaces, and staying active. Each of these aspects contributes to our personal growth and well-being. So, stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring.